float around, you're missing out on half of the exercise. The half that incorporates the midsection, the abdominal area, and the arms. So you're going to be pushing across, pushing across, pushing across. So it's almost like you're lifting your knees up and rotating them around. So fingers need to be splayed open. So you're pushing the water this way, pushing the water that way. And your arms need to go the opposite direction to where the legs are. I'm bouncing on my toes. Up, up, up. The heels are not coming down to the bottom of the pool. And you want them to understand it's a tuck up, tuck up, tuck up, tuck up. So not just a jump up, but to pull up. Pull the thighs up as you go from side to side. So what are we working with here? Well, unless I work my arms deeper in the water, that's the only time I'm going to feel it's my abdominals. Now, it's interesting because what we perceive an exercise will be working based on our probably awareness around land and gravity changes completely in the water. If I just twist and keep my hands up to the surface, it's more of a leg exercise than anything else. It's only when my hands drop down lower in the water, but that's another cue you might like to use with your clients. You might feel this in your abdominals. So you might like to say, you won't feel this in your abdominals, bring your hands down lower, drag the arms back over the hip more, rather than just taking your arms from side to side. Finger splay, my favorite finger hand. So you need to get as much surface area as you possibly can, and that's this week's aptitude. Demonstrating the giant twist in the water is not going to be something that you really want to do on land, where you don't want to do too many of them. One, because it's hard on your body, and two, who knows what you look like when you're that high and try and jump your body weight on it. So the best option is to use the aqua frame, but then of course we can use a chair. So I like to use the aqua frame in this position for this, and what I've demonstrated is lift, lift, lift. Now I want you to notice something that I do just before I start jumping. I do a couple of bounces and then I go. And the bounces prepare my body for the elastic effect that I need to have when I'm on land. Okay, so there's a little bit of mental and physiological preparation so that I'm ready to take off. So you demonstrate that with your legs, and then you demonstrate what you want them to do with their arms. If you're going to demonstrate your legs on a chair, of course you're going to go down and you're going to take your legs across, but then at some point you need to stand up and say, I want you jumping up out of the water and using your arms to demonstrate that. So, key point here. I always say to my class, keep your hands up at chest level, arms going the opposite way if you want a moderate workout. If you want to feel your abdominals, you want to pull the arms down towards your hip more as your legs go across. Now remember, that was an important cue that I used in the pool. So this wasn't that effective for my abdominals, and I did get my heart rate up, but where my abs really came into play was when my arms went down lower. And I'll communicate that to the class. In fact, I taught a class this morning, and I had this move in it. And the way I communicate was, it's subtle but it makes a difference if you want to feel it here. So, just a couple ways. Demonstrate on the frame or the chair the legs, then you want the arms, and then communicate how you want them to throw the water across your body and where they're expected to feel it. And that's this week's aptitude.